Even the Moses, we're putting on my house. Wow! Hey, let's shut! Jamaica! I'm going to go for me. You came from nowhere and just run everything. Run everything I ever had. I had a little plan, please.
You have done nothing wrong. Helping someone and saving a dying soul.
You had the guts, the effrontery, the impetus, the audacity to come and ask for my hand in marriage.
I'm going out there to search for her. She is the woman of my dreams. She is that woman I intend spending the rest of my life with.
He was holding me. Jidea.
Show your face! Show yourself, Obi! Show yourself and betray our innocent love! Tell your mother that Nkemdilim is not for sale and will never be bought with your words nor anything you have to offer.
Burn this thing down.
What?
Sebo.
Not even a single thing will remain. Let the dead remain buried.
No, we are not dead. I know.
She is all I want. I am going to look for her anywhere she is, and I will make her my wife.
No one, not even myself, can stop me from achieving my age-long dream.
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.